Splash! Kaboom! Bark! Back now. This is another little snack I'm going to make up. So we've got zucchini, we've got Twiggy sticks, yum. We've got mozzarella cheese and tomato sauce. It's nice and easy. Let's go. Firstly, we're going to chop up the zucchinis, just like so. Dumb me actually cut them up before recording. So this is the second zucchini I had to cut up. So lucky yous. I was very angry with this. Anyway, so we got all the zucchinis all cut up. See, just like that, all nice and fresh. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the oven on. I don't know what temperature, just turn it up hot. My oven's got no numbers on it. It's old, so just whack it on. Then we're going to get our pan, we're going to get some oil, whack the oil on there. Get your cool little brush thing, $2 from Kmart. Brush, make it nice and oily. And then, throw it in the sink. Then we're going to get our zucchinis, we're going to place them all along on the tray, just like so. As you can see, my cutting is not the best. It's not very even, some big chunkers. And so it should look something like this. Then we're going to grab our pan and we're going to, see all that mess there. I'm going to throw it in the oven for about 5 minutes, or maybe less, depending on, while we're waiting, have a drink. Nothing wrong with that. Slurp, slurp. Okay, so we get them out after about 5 minutes, or less, whichever. And, my pan bent. And then what we're going to do, we're going to get tomato sauce. We're going to dollop it. Dollop, 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 dollop. Dollop, 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 dollop. And we're all dolloped. Then we're going to get the mozzarella cheese. And we're going to sprinkle. This is a very delicate little operation. It's not as easy as it looked, but I did get this recipe again off Facebook, so hats off to Facebook. I'm going to just put mozzarella cheese all on tops of it, just like so. And just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Hurry up, get the job done, and magic, there we go. It's all sprinkled on there. And then what we're going to do, the little mozzarella that I've chopped up. And we always eat the spare ones because, Twiggy sticks are nice. I'm going to put them on just like so. Twiggy stick, double up. And again, the baby is awake. I'm really struggling to get him to sleep. But anyway, I'll be there in a second. Twiggy stick, as you can see, you get the process. You put them all on top of the little zucchinis and it should look something like this. All nice and pretty. Then what we're going to do is we're going to throw it back in the oven again for probably about 3 minutes while we're waiting. Have another drink. Why not? The fuck's on my head? Oh well. Eat Twiggy stick, have a drink. The drink's going down fucking well. And then, as we get out, check it out. They're like little zucchini pieces. Isn't that lovely? They don't look very good with my camera, but they're actually really nice. So we're going to take them off, transfer to a plate, try and make it look presentable. And then, Bob's your uncle. There they are all on a plate. I might just have one. Fuck that up. And they're not that bad. So, do give it a try. Thumbs up. Oh, God.